And welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene and this is Benji.
Got rhubarb, probably gonna make like a crisp with it. Persian cukes for salads, pretty lettuce, kale, tomatoes, and also snagged a she-wolf loaf. Crisps are pretty much the easiest, laziest baked goods that you can ever make. If you ever feel like making a jammy pie but don't feel like dealing with the precise measurements and rolling out the dough and all the complications that come with real baking, a crisp is definitely your solution. All you need for a crisp is fruit. Pretty much any fruit works. You mix it with sugar, you put it in a baking dish, and you top it with usually rolled oats and nuts and stuff like that. Put it in the oven, and the fruit gets all jammy and bubbly in the oven, and the topping gets golden and crispy.